Hey guys, this is John from SSP. Here's another 18018, 18th car this year, 2018. It's running like shit. Actually running pretty good. It's got the 2004, it's the H4. So this is the same motor they put in the 2005. It's got an oval ported cylinder heads on here. So it has the 5-wire O2 sensors. Stereo looks like it's working. Let's see if this thing works. Nope, stereo sucks. It ain't working. It's got some miles on it. But we're gonna go and do a head gasket service on this thing too. This car is a roach. This thing is beat to death on all angles. There's nothing good on this car. Maybe a tail light. Maybe something, I don't know. This thing's just totally shot from all angles. The wheels are bad. Doors are bad. Interior is bad. Only thing good on this car is going to be an engine, transmission, and some control arms maybe. Hubs. But if you need something, give us a call.